Hello guys, welcome to Big Tech Mechatronic. Today edition, I have decided not to use the normal wire harness in which you used to connect the flex box and the control unit. So I'm now using our control unit socket. So this is the one I have made this line is pin 81, and this is 276 control board. I made it because this pins has been broken, so I'm going to selections. I'm using 278. It's the same as 276, so there is no problem in reading it. Let me show you the manual. This is the manual, and everything is connected from here, has the same over here. We head back, we click connect. We should have a good arms over here. If yes, a good arms over here, and our voltage is 14.50, 0.32. That's a good arms. That means it will communicate with this ECU. Yes, as you can see, that's communicated. Yes, you have to have a good success. That means it will work for this thing that works for 270, 274, 276 and 278. The only difference is that you unplug the pin 7, then you use 80 for 270 and 274. This is 81, so it's okay now. It's like
Then I read
276.
connection no.
Wait, need to main say
Question is there. No way to win with them.
yeah.
Oh, okay. It is in case now. I mean, why is not picking up?